Hi everyone, welcome back to another tips and trick video on Microsoft Teams. Today I'm going to be showing you how to enable guest access so that you can start collaborating with guests in Microsoft Teams. Now here we are in the admin portal, and what we want to do is navigate to our Microsoft Teams admin center. Right? Do note that you do need to be a global administrator or a Teams administrator to make these changes that I'm about to show you. Continuing on, we want to navigate org-wide settings, and from here, we want to select guest access. All right, on this page here, if your guest access is not already enabled, for example, it shows up like this, we want to switch it to on. And here we can configure all the settings that a guest can do with the calling, meetings, and as well as messaging. For example, if I don't want our guests to use memes in conversation or stickers, I can choose to turn that off. Once I'm satisfied with all the changes that a guest can do in Microsoft Teams, we can go ahead and select Save. Of course, it does take a couple hours for the change to take into effect, so please do try so within the next couple of hours to test by inviting a guest to your Microsoft Teams environment. Found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button to be notified when we upload new tips and trick videos, and we'll see you next time.